Dear me, it's horrible. Oh, who could have done this? This is so sad. I know. Red, there you are. Have a look at this. Oh, what the shit's happened here? I know it's tragic. Alex, they disappeared. Shut up, you bitch. I know who it is. Those goddamn piggies. Oh no, not them again. They're such a nuisance. We should go get them. Yeah, but who are we gonna send out this time? We only killed like a couple of birds doing that. Who has the ability? You. Me? Yeah, you with the long nose. I'm more than just my long nose, you know. Oh, you're known for your retardation. Go out there. We'll get the slingshot ready and we'll sling you over. Are we sure we're ready to fling someone yet? How do you even know if it's the piggies? Oh, it's definitely those bastards of pigs. I've got your eggs for you, mate. Oh, perfect. 3 little juicy eggs. We're gonna have one hell of a breakfast today. Oh, yeah. But why bird eggs? Can't we get, like, chicken eggs or other eggs? Well, those birds are the closest things to us, so we'll use their eggs. Isn't it so good being promoted to top pigs? Yeah, definitely. I feel like the king standing on this hitch. Yeah, I know. Hey guys, what is that? Guys, it's coming straight for us! Oh my god! Oh no, those bastard pigs! They're gonna get it now! Hey, you think he's doing good? I don't know. I found the damn culprit, alright. Oh, he's already dead. Well, shit. I'll get more reinforcements. You guys, protect the eggs. It looks like he's done quite a bit of damage, you know. He stabbed me! Shit! Jesus Christ! That is one smart pig. Yeah, he just killed Bob and a couple of the others. Oh my god. Guys, we need to attack them as quick as we can. We gotta kill those piggies. Now we gotta get our eggs back. We gotta check into Rance. He was a pretty good asset. See if he's alive. I'm not letting them get to my eggs. I'll go get them. Oh my god, so he just took a big chunk of our hole. Don't let them kill you. I'm having a heart attack. I'm scared. Right, get out the big guns. The piggy copter. Oh, this is no match for me. Hey, he's shaking me. He's shaking me. Well, that didn't work. I must help them. Yeah, me too. Everyone help. Go, go, go. Watch this speed. Everyone's gonna turn into slow-mo. So this isn't... Yeah, you see how fast it was? I killed that guy straight away. Back up, back up. Enemy spotted. Oh, those guys, they're too slow for me. As you can see, I'm in slow-mo mode. Everything has froze. Watch this. Give this helicopter a light tap, and then go out of fly mode. Yeah, I split that thing in half, boy. No, boys, get it. Oh shit, look and run. Get behind here. They won't find me here. Oh, really? Give me my... Get over here, piece of shit! Oh, that's it! I'll get him! Quick! Get the eggs, let's go! I found them on the table, let's go, go, go! Throw them back! Hey, I think they're hatching. Oh yeah, they are. Watch them, watch them. Oh my god, they're so cute. How do you think of them, Fred? They are ugly as fuck. Whoa, Red, put the gun down. Red,